Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Master Gardener Steve. Winter is here, but take a second and recognize if you're committing one of the 7 deadly sins of winter gardening. These common mistakes could doom your garden unless you know how to fix them and prevent them. Stay tuned because we're diving into the sins that every gardener should know to avoid this winter and how to turn them into gardening virtues. First, neglecting frost protection. Forgetting to protect your plants from frost is one of the most common and devastating mistakes gardeners make. Use frost blankets, cloches, or row covers and mulch around the base of your plants to keep their roots warm and keep them safe until spring. 2. Overwatering winter plants. Winter plants grow more slowly and don't need as much water. Overwatering can lead to root rot and soggy soil. Test your soil before watering. If it's damp an inch below the surface, hold back on that watering task. 3. Ignoring soil health. If you think your soil is good enough, check again. Winter crops need nutrient-rich soil to survive. Repent by feeding your soil with compost or well-rotted manure and test for nutrient deficiencies. 4. Leaving beds bare. Leaving your soil exposed to the elements, bare soil that is, invites weeds, compaction, and erosion. Plant cover crops like clover or rye to protect your soil and prepare it for spring. 5. Planting summer crops. The desire for summer crops can lead to disappointment. Tomatoes and peppers simply won't survive the winter chill. Instead, plant winter-appropriate crops like kale, spinach, garlic, and carrots, matching your planting to the season. 6. Overlooking pests and diseases. Don't be blind. Just because it's winter doesn't mean pests and diseases are gone. Inspect your garden regularly and treat issues with organic pest controls like neem oil or diatomaceous earth. 7. Forgetting to plan for spring. Don't be unprepared for the most exciting gardening season, spring. Failing to plant and plan now means missing out later on nature's glorious bloom. Use winter downtime to map out your spring garden, order seeds, and prep your beds for a head start. So now that you know the 7 deadly sins of winter gardening, don't let them ruin your garden. Protect your plants, plan ahead, and embrace the beauty of the winter season. For more tips, tools, and inspiration, visit us at thecelticfarm.com. Happy winter gardening.